Hey Procraftinators! I wanted to do something a little bit different today. Renee from Delaney Jane Cards wanted to see what I got in my Simon Says stamp Crafty Parcel Box. So I thought maybe other people might be interested. I don't know how many of you out there got the Crafty Parcel, but if you didn't and you were curious what was in them, or if you did get one and were curious what other people got, here is what I got. So this box is kind of huge to be fitting under my camera, so I'm just going to slide it over and share everything one by one. So the first item here is a tote bag. And it's got a big zipper pocket here, and then it's got the big main pocket. This is one side with the dog. On the other side says Simon Says Create, and it's got all the different companies on there. So that's kind of cool and useful. And I will zoom in here for the other stuff. Maybe not quite that far. So then I've got a little stamp here from Impression Obsession. And it says, "A man's home is his wife's castle." Let's see if my camera, there we go. So that is very true in my opinion, and a cute stamp. Then we have one here from Penny Black. That is a stamp of Rome. That's kind of fun. I've never been to Rome. Would like to one day though. Then we have a Simon Says stamp set, and this is Really Like You. And this is fun for Valentine's Day, I think, which is coming up in a couple months, probably sooner than we'd like to admit. And is my camera going to zoom? There we go. So we've got the XOXO, some fun hearts, I really like you, love you, you're my favorite, a little border stamp with the XOXOs, a border stamp with the hearts, and we've got all these fun little blacked out sentiments. I'm not going to read them all to you, but you can see them there. So that's a fun stamp set. And then we have this one, and this is Handmade Christmas. And I like all these little small stamps for the wreath builder. I think they're fun. Last year I made a bunch of cards. Obviously I didn't have a channel back then, but I made a bunch of cards with little stamps like this and a little wreath, and they were very popular with my family. So this one's got ho 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 with lots of love, handmade by, and then it's got like the cat, the dog, so that's kind of cute, like handmade by the cat, handmade by the dog. Happy holidays, season's greetings, Merry Christmas, to, from, December 25th, yes, I made this for you, lift here, open me, something fun inside, do not open until, Merry and Christmas, and no you can't peek. And then I like these little light bulbs with the string. I'll give you a closer look here. So that one's fun. And then we've got Wild Beauty. And this one's got a bunch of flowers, obviously. And then some more fun stuff to use in a wreath builder. We got Hello Gorgeous, Happy Birthday, You Are So Special, and Sending Hugs and Kisses. And I like that it's got the outline and the fill-in stamp, just in case you don't want to color. I don't know about you, but I am definitely a fan of flower stamps, so I don't think you can have too many of those. Then we have one by Spellbinders here. It's the stamp and the die set. It's called Grateful. And I actually have at least one, if not two, of their like food-themed ones like this. So we've got the cheese and some graters. You are really great. So very grateful. So this will be a nice addition to my collection of those. And then we have Creative Expressions Out of This World die set, and this is really cute. The little aliens and the spaceships, or I guess, oh no, there's two. So that's a look at the dies. So really cute. I don't make a whole lot of little kid cards, but I do have a couple friends with some little boys. And we have Clearly Besotted Magnolia Moments dies. I'm going to take a wild guess and say that this goes with a stamp set, but I think you could probably use at least this and the leaf die without the stamp set. Alright, then we have another Penny Black, New Day, New You dies. Those are kind of cool. And then we have My Favorite Things, Wonky Banners. I could see that on a fun birthday card or some kind of celebratory card. And then we have Simon Says Stamp, Hydrangea Petals. And again, I like my flowers, so I could totally use those. And we have the Simon Says Stamp, Happy Clouds. Now, if I only had some happy trees to go with the happy clouds, that would be fun. I mean, look at their little smiley faces. They're totally happy clouds. Alright, Penny Black. And this is Blooming Hearts. And I think this one is really pretty. I could totally see this embossed in some pretty embossing powder. Maybe even the holographic embossing powder that I'm so in love with right now. Be really pretty. And then I have Waffle Flower Biking Girls. And this is a like layering stamp of sorts. So we've got like part of it here, and it even has it labeled A1, A2, A3, and it suggests like a light, dark, and medium for the different layers. And this one says try this in gray, purple, yellow. So I don't know, this one could be fun. It's probably not something that I would have picked myself, but I think it could be fun. And we have another waffle flower one here, and this is Willie and Friends, and this obviously goes with a stamp set that I do not have, but maybe I could find the stamp set, and if not, then I've got a heart die, a bow, maybe a star. There's probably a couple things that I could use. But other than that, yeah, probably not going to use that one unless I can find the stamp set and actually like the stamp set. Then we've got Spring Seeds. I'm going to guess that this one probably goes with a stamp set as well. And I do not have. But I might be able to use that or something. But other than that, I'm guessing I'm probably not going to use that if I don't have the stamp set or can't find it. We've got Warm Wishes, and this one probably goes with a stamp set as well, I'm thinking, but these are more usable dies that if I don't find the stamp set, because I've got a mug with some steam, I've got mittens, I've got a little beanie, I've got hearts, I've got a scarf, but I could also cut the ends off and make that into a banner. I've got the fun little like edge dies that I could use. So this is definitely a usable set if it doesn't have a stamp set that goes with it. And then we have Mama Elephant, Utterly Adorable, and this is so utterly adorable. It says, to my significant otter, there's no otter like you. You're utterly adorable. I think these are so cute. When we were in Alaska in August, we were staying at a place that had a harbor, and there were some otters in the harbor, and they were so cute. I took so many pictures of them. Yes, I've definitely seen, I don't use a whole lot of critter stamps, but I could see myself using that one. Then we have Mandy's Flowers from Simon Says Stamp. I could totally see myself using this one. So we got With Love, a special gift for you, thank you, with thanks for everything, for your kindness, a scripty thank you, for your love, picked with love, from my heart to yours, for you, and grown with love. And then of course all the pretty flowers and the fence, and totally see myself using this one. And we have honeybee stamps, and this is Hello Gorgeous. We've got a big hi, thanks, hello. Then we've got sweetheart, dear with 2 E's, dear with an A, love, lovely, my, sweet, gorgeous, beautiful, sunshine, and then of course all the pretty flowers. And it's a good thing I like flowers, because I have just added to my collection. And then we've got this fun pencil bag. I think that's really cute and useful. And then we've got these, and they're not stickers, but they're like those little pop-out things that you can glue onto cards. I don't know what they're called. It has escaped me. But they're Christmas themed anyway. They're cute. And we've got some like little border edges. And more Christmas themed ones, and these are like tags. And more Christmas themed ones. So those are cute. And then we have, feels like they're thick enough to have 2 of them. Oh, there we go. There was another one. We've got these 2. And these are stickers. Those are cute. And they kind of coordinate with, at least in my opinion, they coordinate with this paper. I'll go this way. That. It's double-sided paper. Lots of flowers in my box. Then we have some puffy stickers. Some 5x7 envelopes. Another piece of that paper pad. And there's another paper pad here. These ones are all Valentine's theme, kind of. Number stickers. These are like like really long. And these are white stickers that you can't see, but they're a lot like these. Just in white. And these are white number stickers. And then we have an enamel pin. A little mirror. Washi tape. Some black and white twine, and it's got some like gold thread spun in it. Some teal like fuzzy ribbon. And then we've got this, it's like ribbon with the fuzzy balls on it. I don't know what that's called, sorry. And then we've got some white polyester thread. And then I've got 2 distress markers, one in broken china and one in warm lipstick. And then last but not least, we've got some Craft Perfect paper. This is the patchwork parchment. So that's got a fun texture to it. And old leather armchair, which also has a fun texture to it and totally does look like an old leather armchair. So that is all that's in my box. I believe it was $69.99 for the whole box. I think that I got quite a bit of stuff in my box. So overall I think it was worth it. There's of course some things that I never would have ordered myself, and there's some things I probably wouldn't use, but that's kind of the gamble that you get with mystery boxes. But I think there's quite a bit of stuff that I will use. So what do you think? Do you think it was worth it? Did you order the box? Did you get some good goodies? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, have a great day.